absolutely beautiful.
I mean, look at this. Look at Mother Nature. This is awesome.
I know.
Look, point the camera that way. It's just all open. It's looking beautiful.
And this is also coming from Nature Boy.
So, you know, hopefully we'll be recording sometime soon to start making this movie or whatever. I mean, I think this is a perfect time to be making a movie. Look at this.
It's just amazing.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, look at it. It's just wide open. You know, there's not not many trees. Everything's just like brown and stuff.
Yeah,
It looks good. So.
Yeah.
Don't run! 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 It's coming! It's coming! Run! It's coming! Run! Oh crap! Get to the board! Get to the board! Ah! Thorns! It's coming! Ah! Run! Run! Run!
Time.
Well, guys, you were wondering why we were just running. You might not believe us, but I'm not joking. There was some kind of like black hog-looking figure walking, like it was running after us. I swear, it looked like a hog. This thing had like a big old body. It was like on 4 legs.
It was just running.
It looked like a hog, and it started chasing us. So
We think we lost it. We think.
I have no idea, but yesterday, okay, so it was raining, right? It was pouring. It was raining outside.
It was pouring down.
I was sitting out here, eating some popcorn. Oh, I really was, this ain't a lie. I came out here yesterday, brought my bike in here, laid it down. You know, I was in here just eating some popcorn, drinking water. And all of a sudden, I'm looking over. I'm here, it's quiet in here. Cause like this woods, it's like wide open and stuff. So it's like quiet. It's like wide open, and all of a sudden, like it's starting to drizzle a little bit more.
It was that way.
Yeah, that way.
That way.
That's where it was. So I was sitting here, and all of a sudden I hear like footsteps, somebody walking. So I'm thinking, somebody just taking a jog. Somebody was walking the trails earlier, you know. All of a sudden I see some like. It's kind of dark now. It's like 4:20, you know, starting to get dark. And all of a sudden I see something walking through the woods. Like big body.
Big.
Big body. And it was on 4 legs, and it was just like almost running.
But what you
did?
did?
Just about jogging.
You just sat.
I just sat here freaking out. I'm starting to put my crap back in my bag. I'm like, I'm getting the hell out of here. It looked like a coyote or a hog or something. I don't know.
It was something big.
I don't know what I was thinking. All I know was I was scared to death. I was like, oh man, I'm getting the hell out of here.